So I'm going to show you how you can tell the difference between a linear function and an exponential function. The first thing we're going to look at is tables. This is a linear function. And when you look at the table, specifically the y values of the table, what you're going to notice is in a linear function you have a constant addition or subtraction pattern. So if you look at this pattern, the y values are constantly increasing by 3. Okay? That constant addition pattern means that when you make the graph, that graph is going to have a straight line because it's going to have a constant slope. If you think back to when we talked about slope, it was the change or the difference in y compared to the difference in x, and so it's constant. It will make a straight line. Now, an exponential function, which is going to be shown in this table here, is a little bit different. It doesn't have a constant addition or subtraction pattern. Exponential functions have constant multiplication or division patterns. So when you look at this, the y values on this table are going to be increasing by a factor of 3. So every time you're going to multiply by 3. So what I want you to notice is even though it's a constant pattern, the numbers in the exponential function increase much more quickly. So when you graph it, it doesn't make a straight line anymore. An exponential function, when you graph it, looks like a curve. Okay, so to tell the difference between a linear and an exponential function, if you're looking at a table, constant addition pattern or subtraction pattern is linear. Constant multiplication or division pattern is going to be exponential. If you're looking at a graph, if you have a straight line, that's going to be linear. And if you have a graph that makes a curve, that's going to be exponential.